Well, Ian got my brother's car. It got totally soaked. It got moldy.
Yeah, I'm sorry, man. I was on the phone with Yeah, we all over the place these days, man.
Yeah, my brother got caught by Ian. His car is being detailed,
Yeah.
and you're not going to believe what happened. Look at that floor, full of water. He had to strip it down all the way down to clean this place up. Oh my God, he really got hit.
Got hammered.
Holy mother, this is like amazing. Well, that's his luck. He's been having it all year, so the back seat is out.
Yeah, you can shout us out, Dr. Matt Auto Detail.
Oh well,
Yeah.
it's amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
He's got it all apart. He's gonna hopefully he get it back to normal. He's got school. Yeah.
That way you have proof, you know what I mean? It's really, really bad, you know what I mean?
Unbelievable.
Did you get the carpet over there too?
The carpet, yeah, they gotta get the carpet. Wow. What's this? This is my brother's floor. Oh my God. It's a wreck. Poor kid. He's probably all like, these are the guys that are doing the detailing. Hopefully Ryan gets his car back the way it was, and he can go to school and not bother me.